Okay, I'm going to show you all of you people who are absolutely frustrated with folding down this pop-up pod that they advertise that is so simple to collapse. And it is so not. And I'm here to tell you that if you're absolutely frustrated, you have every right to be. But let me explain to you the nuances so that you too can be successful like I was after 90 minutes of trying. Okay, so the easy part is collapsing this. Okay, so you've got it down flat, and what you're going to do is stand in front of the logo here, about here, especially if you're short, this is important. And you're going to make sure that the frame is lined up properly, and it's very helpful, they don't tell you this, to keep your knees out like this, to help align these frames that you can't see. Put your knees here, then grab the bottom and pull toward you. Pull it slowly, carefully. Get it to the end, and you grab. You know you've done it properly if this opening is equal to this opening in size, then you know you've done it properly. Now, you turn it this way, and you bring this toward your body. You're not bringing it up. And then notice I have like 3 pedals. One down toward my feet and 2. The object is to slide them all together, kind of like a fan. So you slide them in, and they'll try to escape. But just grab the ends until they fit, and then you've got it. Okay? So I hope those hints were helpful. If I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.